I am super excited. Here in Minneapolis at the Royal Foundry, just about a mile from downtown. Let's go check this place out. Stillhouse. This is Nikki McLain.
Hi,
She's the owner of the Royal Foundry.
Yep, so every day we make alcohol on site. We produce right here in this production space, and we make gin, vodka, rum, and the beginnings of whiskey.
Holy moly! This is amazing. This is also Abbey Road, so let's not mess this opportunity up. Are we ready? And go. This is your liquor?
This is Marlowe
your
Rose
gin.
and I actually have a little sample.
This is
Thank you. There you go. Thank you.
This is the way you do a tour.
Yes.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
So we've got a track, a racetrack, like a bicycle racetrack, a clay track?
Yep, so this is a clay cycle speedway track. We're the only operating track in the United States, and British Cycle Speedway is a bicycle sport that is really big outside of this country.
This room is one of my favorite spaces. It's super intimate. What have you seen done here?
Yeah, so this is our crown room, and it's perfect for cocktail classes, bridal and baby showers, grooms dinners, and just any other kind of life celebration that you want to have.
I love this behind the scenes glance. So this gives me this intimate feel. Do you actually see people producing back here?
Oh yeah, so my husband's the distiller, and he produces here on site, and yeah, this is your view into the production space, as well as being kind of a fun, intimate event space. And so we've been open a little bit about 2 years. It'll be in December as our 2-year anniversary.
Oh, well, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Ta-da! I had to. Hey, Michelle.
Hey, I have got my game on. I am doing real good. Oh, I got the board. Woo!
Oh, you got one!
This space is perfect for games and weddings.
I know we had our 10th anniversary in this room, and it was uplighting and beautiful decor. We had a great time.
This is exciting. We didn't get to see this when we first came in, but I really love what's in here about the bar. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so this is to look like the inside of a tube station. Abbey Road stands for the former tube station for Arsenal Stadium, which is my husband's favorite Premier League soccer team.
What's a tube station?
Tube station is their underground subway in London.
Ooh, like a train.
Yes, like a train.
I have to show you, it is a necessity to have a plentiful amount of restrooms here. So let me show you the restrooms. Of course, ladies' room first. Look at this vibrant pink color. And to answer your question that all you audience members are having, yes, my bedroom was this color when I was a teenager. And of course, there's the men's
Look at the blue.
room.
The blue is awesome.
You can see Matt grew up at bowling.
This is British bowling, so I'm going to